Hey guys, so this is an Accutane update. Sorry, I have like the whitening strips, that's why. But anyways, today is October 4th. So today is October 4th. And I just wanted to note that my lips are still pretty dry. It's almost been a week. It's almost been a week since I've stopped taking Accutane, so I'll keep you updated with how they are, or like how long it takes for my lips to normalize, because I really want to start using liquid lipsticks again. So yeah. Hey guys, this is an Accutane post update. I have a pimple here. Hey guys, so this is an Accutane update. My lips are getting back to normal now. I was able to wear liquid lipsticks on my trip. The corners of my mouth weren't that dry on this trip, like when I wore the liquid lipstick, so that's good. It's not that tight anymore, so that's good. Like when I go like that, it doesn't look like it's drying. Or it doesn't feel as tight as it was when I was currently taking Accutane. So my lips are really normalizing right now. As for breakouts, I just had that one breakout, but I think that was from the flight. Yeah. Hey guys, so today is Monday, October 14th. I think my lips have officially normalized, but I am still sick, so I don't want to like try to do it and then I have to like, you know, blow my nose or whatever, because I want to like, you know, put makeup on and actually look presentable in order to do that. But I don't want to put foundation on my nose and then have to blow it and then it looks like a mess. So I'm gonna wait until probably next week to try it out. I also pushed back to my dermatologist appointment because I'm sick and I didn't want to leave the house this weekend, so I'm probably gonna go do that next weekend. Yeah, and then I'll keep you updated with what she says, or if I have another follow-up appointment. So yeah, guys, so I'm wearing lipstick today, so I'll keep you updated. It's currently 9:49.
Okay, yeah, so I'll just finish up with this.
If you're wondering what I'm using, hey guys, so it's currently 12:43 and I want you to take a look at my lips. So it's a little dry, but honestly the main thing is that it's not dry in the corner of my lips. This is more of like my lip here. I just need to drink more water and reapply. So hey guys, this is my lips. It's currently 4:17. Oh, look. Hey guys, so this is how my lips look right now. It's currently 5:15. Still looks good. So I think it's safe to say that I can wear liquid lipsticks, and I honestly think it's been like a month already since I stopped taking Accutane. So yeah. Hello everybody, this is a post Accutane update. So I've been off of Accutane. I've been off of Accutane for like about 2 months already. But I did notice fairly quickly that my hair is getting oily. So it's been getting oily since the month after I've been off of Accutane. So now it's just really oily. So instead of washing my hair every 2 weeks, I have to wash it every week because I don't want to overwash it since my hair is colored. But anyways, I just wanted to share that update. Basically, like through like pain wise, I don't think anything has been affecting me. Well, now I have like cracky knees, but I don't know about that, you know. There's no pain in my wrists anymore. I don't experience like any like bloody noses, or like my lips aren't dry anymore. It's like, you know, the same as before. So honestly, I don't know, because some videos like people have it so bad after, like with the after effects of being off of Accutane, or from Accutane itself, because the drug just messed them up internally. So I feel like, you know, just do it if you really want to, and your dermatologist recommends it for you. Like if they're for it and you're for it and you're down to do the work and down to know like when to take your medications and when to live your life, then just do it. But I wanted to also go over the products that I used in this video, just so I can have it all in one. So let me film that. This is gonna be the products that I use, like the moisturizers that I used while I was on Accutane. So in month 1, I used Tatcha. I believe it was the water cream, and it was a really good moisturizer that I used. And then I also used the Hydro Boost one, the dry skin one by Neutrogena. And then I also used the Clinique Moisture Balm, and that one I give a 5 out of 10 rating. It wasn't really moisturizing for me, so I'm glad that I really got a small travel size. At night when I apply it, my nose felt like a strawberry. Like, you know how prickly it made it feel, like how prickly strawberries feel. That's how it made my nose feel like. It wasn't very moisturizing. And then I have a bad habit of picking my nose, so I have a mirror that has like a 10x. So when I look in the mirror, I like to pick it, and then it would obviously come out, so it was very satisfying to pick everything. The only good thing about the Clinique Moisture Balm one was that it made my skin feel super soft. I didn't notice with the Tatcha one, but I noticed with the Clinique Moisture Balm one is that the next day that my skin was super soft. Sorry, I'm reading on my phone, so that's why I keep looking down. And then for month 3, the moisturizers that I used was the Hydro Boost. So again, I would use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, the extra dry one, and then I would use the CeraVe PM one, and then I would use the Tatcha Silky Cream, so the purple jar instead of the green jar, and that one I feel like would be better for me, but it's just really expensive. So okay, so I also ordered the Rose Deep Hydration Moisturizer, the mini version, and this was in April, and I really didn't like that one. I just feel like it wasn't very hydrating with the situation that I had on my face. Yeah, that wasn't that great, so I definitely do not recommend that one if you are on Accutane. Of course, I ordered the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, so I already recommended that one. That one is awesome. I think I ordered that like twice while I was on Accutane, and I definitely love that one. It's just really expensive. It's $68, so I don't know, it's up to you. You will go through that tub fairly quickly. It is only 1.7 ounces, so think about it. You will be using that day and night, and for $68, sis, very expensive. So it's up to you. I think that's pretty much it. After a while of seeing how my face, so when I was in store, I ordered this Amore Pacific Vintage Single Extract Essence, which was $145, and basically the guy there told me that it was safe to use while on Accutane, and let me tell you that that is false. Okay, don't buy anything extra
while you are on Accutane, because Accutane actually takes care of your skin itself. Like, it doesn't need anything extra while you are actually on Accutane. The bare minimum that you need is just moisturizer and something to take care of your lips. That's pretty much what you need. Just making sure that you wash your face, you moisturize your lips, and that's pretty much it. You don't need any essence, you don't need toner, you don't need like eye cream, you don't need anything fancy for your face or anything extra. Like, you don't need it, okay? So when I was using that, my face pretty much had like a bad reaction, so I returned it. Obviously, I don't recommend like buying anything like that or anything extra that you really don't need. I would also like recommend consulting with your dermatologist if you do want to try using that. I would say maybe, yeah, I would just say like ask your dermatologist if that is something like that they recommend adding onto your skincare routine while using Accutane. But honestly, you don't need anything extra. Like, when I was on it, I did the bare minimum. This is basically my skincare routine when I was on Accutane, so I still stick to it to this day. When I wake up, I wash my face with Cetaphil, and then I moisturize with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, the extra dry one, and then I use the CeraVe PM lotion because my skin likes the ceramides in that lotion. And then I'm trying to incorporate eye cream into my skincare because, you know, like, I don't want to get wrinkles because I smile a lot. And that's pretty much it. And I just put on like lip cream or like moisturizer for my lips because we're trying to stay hydrated, you know, especially with this dry weather. And that's pretty much it. And that's my routine day and night. So yeah, sorry I don't have the products here with me, but I will insert pictures. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or have any comments or concerns, please put it in the comments down below or message me or anything. Follow me on my social media or DM me on my social media. It doesn't really matter. You guys can ask away. I'm here to answer any of your questions or concerns. If you guys know me personally, feel free to ask me in person or DM me on my Instagram. I will answer all your questions. Don't be scared. I want to thank you so much for following me on my Accutane journey. And if you have followed me on my Accutane journey and reached out to me in any way, I want to thank you so much. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my god, where is it? I swear I have it for the camera. Oh my god, where is it?